Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Maniology, Renaissance, and Baroque, MXM-071, MXM-072. I've started off with Baby Girl Lacquer, Glitter Be Gone, and here is Renaissance and Baroque. Very pretty purple cream. Look at this. It could be a one coater if you paint it right. I typically normally don't use these as polishes. I use them as stamping polishes. But I'm a little behind on playing with my Mani by Me boxes. So today I am definitely going to use the plates and the polishes out of this box. I don't even remember what month it was. And that went on really pretty. And now for Renaissance. Now this is so pretty. I mean, it's ethereal, elegant, very, very nice polish. I really loved how it stamped and was used as a polish. So we are going to do 2 coats of both because I'm crazy like that. But I really think these colors do look well together. So I'm happy that I am pairing them up and using them together. I can't even, I don't, you know, I'm not really great at describing polishes, but that is just so shimmery and pretty. I just really, really love it. It's got that extra something that inspires. I am going to top all of these off with the I&Ms out the door. You get that at Sally's. It's my pre-top coat for the manicures. It's my thinner top coat in between the layers because you guys know I'm going to go crazy with it and just keep on layering stuff up. Stamp, do some more top coat, do some more. But I'm really liking this so far. The manicures already saying yes. So there they are on their own. We've got Maniology, MXM-071 and 072. And these images are just, they are Renaissance and Baroque. And I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. I went and listened to it on Google. I would have pronounced it Baroque. But, you know, I'm from the South. We say stuff funny. We say it normally how we see it. I did clean both of those plates with some acetone, and they're deeply etched, so I did have to do some wiping of the hands because it was a paper towel eater. So I decided I was going to use some face images off of this plate. I'm going to put that one on my thumbnail. And I mean, you have to be up on your nails to see images with fine lines like this, but oh, I could see the detail in it. So pretty. I did clean my stamper off on that lint roller, and I'm going to pull another one of these facial images. I think they stamped great though. I mean, I was really impressed how well they did. Oh, I can't wait. So I am using both polishes to stamp over the opposite polish. I didn't like show that when I was showing my stuff. And I'm using a Maniology cube stamper. I am going to clean this plate off real quick before I put it away. Rub it over with a paper towel. This one didn't eat the paper towel as much as the other one did. So here we go. We're going to do these. This big image down on the bottom, I'm going to use it on the other 2 nails. And they're just like the squiggly, Baroque looking. And there we go. We're going to use the other side for the other nail. I really loved how this turned out though. I was really, really happy with it. Of course, I do love purple nail polish, so, you know, it wasn't too much of a stretch for me. I'm going to clean this plate up with some acetone and wipe it with a paper towel. And I'm telling you, it's a paper towel eater. I am going to hop in with a piece of tape and get some of this excess up off of my skin. And then hop in with the cleanup brush. Go around the edges and cuticles. All of it. And up under the nail, because my nails are short, so I probably did get some under there. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. You can see how well those turned out. The faces, you can see their lips and noses and eyes, and just so pretty. I am going to top these now with the Poshe top coat. Seal them in, and I hope you can see it on the swatch photo, but that more golden-y color looks so pretty. I mean, it would flash colors. It was so stunning. I'm telling y'all, this was a winner for me. I loved it. Getting those all top coated though, capping the free edge. And here comes my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I love hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.